So we have now come to the close of 2 days of intense presentations.
The names of the 19 semi-finalists were announced after a tough quarter-final pitching contest involving 30 of the region's most promising entrepreneurs. The business model competition, organized by the OECS Commission, is part of the Sustainable Development Movement.
It is a movement that we are seeking to ignite, and its ultimate objective is to light fires of innovation, to inspire creativity, to stimulate thinking beyond the problems to the possibilities.
Dr. Jews informed his global audience that the business model competition is making a growing club of business coaches and investors available to help increase the competitiveness of regional entrepreneurs.
To mentor and assist in the shaping of business plans, to adjudicate on the viability and business viability of the ideas, and ultimately to invest in and scale up these innovations.
The presenting sponsor, Republic Bank, celebrated the entrepreneurs participating in the business model competition.
We believe in your ability to be wealth generators, job providers, community builders, and engines for economic growth.
At the end of the pitching contest, 19 entrepreneurs were selected by the judges to participate in the semi-finals on September 9th. The lucky 19 are from Trinidad and Tobago, JODY White, Sean DeFreitas, and HESMA Tyson. From Antigua and Barbuda, Jermaine Rudd and Trevor Solomon. From Montserrat, Linda Diaz. From Jamaica, Tizia Bennett, Ryan Scott, Kadim Smith, Danielle TAIT, Janet Henry, and Adrian BURTON. From Barbados, Michael Husbands and Ibrahim Hines. From St. Lucia, Leandra Peter and Dannielle Florius. From St. Kitts and Nevis, Alex Strawn. From Guadeloupe, Sebastian Louise. And from Martinique, Steve BERCY. The semi-finalists will undergo further training in preparation for the semi-final round on September 9th. The finalists will participate in a pitch room to be hosted by Mr. Damon John, star of ABC's Shark Tank and president of the Shark Group. Winners will receive up to US $20,000 in prize money and the possibility of securing the attention of global investors.